All right, 8th grade English. Here's your bell work for week 14 on transitions. Right. We are dealing with translations on here. Now, with this translations, we have time, size, space, importance, or chain link. Now, remember those from last week. And instead of having a phrase, we are going to have a sentence that we have to identify. So, it says, the most important concern is the dropout rate in our high school. Well, it has this word of important, which then tells me that it is a transition of importance. And I'll let you put IMP. Further in the house, I saw a trail of popcorn leading down the hallway towards my bedroom. Well, further in the house, that gives me the transition of space. It says, next one says, I'm going to quit switching between my highlighter. Later, that would be time. The drug campaign is a further example of recent advertising. Further example. Okay, that would be that chain link. All right. Most importantly, there's that word of importance. On the other hand, if you remember, that's a chain link. Alongside, okay, that would be space because it's telling me a direction or where it's at. Medium sized, that would be size. In the future, that would be time. And although smaller than a cat, that would be size. So there are some examples of what transitions are as far as labeling them according to the transition. Now you need to finish the rest of the assignment. Don't forget to submit to me through Canvas when done. Good luck and have fun.